Hello, in this tutorial I'm gonna show you how to deactivate or activate quest log in Dying Like the Beast, so stay with me and enjoy watching. Now as the first step we have to open the settings. To do it, press the O button on your keyboard or move your mouse over here and open the options. Now switch to the HUD over here and in the first tab you can see the fourth option. It is a quest log. You can quest log displays the tracked quest name and all current objectives. You can switch this option to always on. You can switch it to dynamic or completely switch it off. All depends on your preferences, obviously. I think leaving a quest name and all current objectives and displays as tracking, it is very helpful, and obviously it's good to have it. But if you want to make your game harder, then you can switch it off or switch to dynamic. That is all for this video. Hope you liked it. Leave a comment and subscribe to our YouTube channels. Goodbye.